Meet Elvira, a Polish orphan. It's her first day in her new home on 19th Street. Donna, her adoptive mother, says the transition has been tough on Elvira.
And she's being very disruptive, but we're gonna work things out. I'm gonna look for a chicken therapist, maybe.
She is still getting over her trauma of being abandoned. Like Elvira, some 75 to 100 chickens a year end up at Animal Care and Control on 15th Street. Elvira roamed the streets of San Francisco, no one knows for how long, when someone called the police to pick her up. Lucky for Elvira, she quickly found a new home and is getting to know her three peers. Soon, there will be eggs as well.
Here we go, Elvira. Dinner. Dinner is served.
But first, Elvira must put on some weight and get to know her garden mates.
Eric, no. Make a statement, Elvira.